Eh? Well, I've got a spare bolt. So, good morning, people of YouTube. You've missed the first part of the video, it's on there. But once again, the battery on that damn thing is flat, even though I've just charged it. What a piece of junk Decathlon cameras are. So basically, you've missed me taking a wheel out, which is whoopee-doo exciting. So you haven't really missed much anyway. And what we're doing is we are taking these original discs, which are at that switched itself to inches or something. Yes it has. Okay. Alright, we're taking the original discs and we're bloody hell, we're measuring them at 298. Oh right, okay. Minimum thickness on the front one is 2.5. Yeah, we're on 297 there, so it's going to be a safe bet that we should be the same all the way around. 298, yeah, okay, so they're not actually 3.19 original. Right, so although this one is in spec for thickness, it's got a warp in it, which I demonstrated by spinning the wheel when it was in there. But you didn't see that, or you can't see that, because it's all on that other video. So you have to take my word for it. I'm changing it for these little Chinese bad boys, what I done just got off eBay. And for all of you that run around with your face in your hands screaming, "Oh, it's Chinese, you're gonna die, you're gonna die." One, it's only me that's gonna die, not you, so get over it. Two, I've been using Chinese discs for a very long time on many different vehicles, and I've not had any faults with any of them. So there you go, that's what's going in, and as you can see, it is a pretty good match. That's inside out. It's a pretty good match for original. In fact, you could say it's almost a like-for-like copy. They've got a longer laser slot here for your speed sensor, but that's about it. So, aesthetically, this will still look like a proper KTM and not something that's been bodged up with winky wanky discs. Right, now this is my speed sensor here, which is not easy for me to get out. We might have to get Minitron in, or we might just have to accept the fact that, oops, I spoiled my joke. I was hoping that was just going to pop open then, and I was going to say we'll have to accept the fact that I am a bloody genius, but it didn't work, so I've got to go back to trying to get it off. Almost at it. Come on, you just let me lift up one side. Oh, I was going to say, we don't really want it to go pinging off into the atmosphere, because chances of finding it again. Now then, will it fit? Where's the circlet go? In the back, isn't it? Yeah. Well, it fits in there alright, doesn't it? So, if it fits in there, I've just got to pop this back on using my over-centered circlip pliers and my still useless left arm, right arm. You'll have to excuse all these mistakes I keep making. I've only had 2 cups of coffee this morning, and it's just not enough. Right, so that is looking okay. Now this is the true height of decadence. My degreaser is gasoline, straight from the pump next door. How about that, eh? This guy's a show off, he uses gasoline. So get crap off. I used it yesterday actually. I did the rocker covered gasket on the Toyota because there's a massive leak on it, and the rocker covered gasket was like £3. They're like £40 in the UK. Rip off Britain. Right. What does that fit like? Fits like that. You got it the right way up? Yep. Okay. So in the first video, which won't be posted now, I did the rear last night, and the reason I wanted to do these was because there was a glaringly obvious fault at the rear, which my OCD would not allow me to let continue. But having done the disc last night, I suddenly ran into the reason why they did what they did, and it was a case of tie logic. Which we'll come to in a second. Oh, I'm actually looking at these now. I'm wondering if it's better using these on the back. Too late. Right, so moving on.